Hello, I am Professor Kakade Ramesh Machindra from RSU Technical College, MBA department. So today I will discuss next chapter. Subject name is service marketing and chapter second traditional marketing mix elements in service. So what is meant by service product? That is a service product. It is a very important. So, a service cannot be touched, verified, photography, or tried out is the tangible product. A service product is a bundle of features and customer benefit. It is a very difficult to describe what a service product is. There are four risks attempting of the desired service in the words alone. So first one is oversimplification. Second one, incompleteness. Third, subjective, based on personal experience and exposure. Fourth one, based in interpretation. In often become the difficult to translate customer experience into words. Difference, attitude, exposure, and ability to participate and perceive make a customer subjective and base while describe a service. After a customer sees a movie, he will not able to relate the minute by minutes movement in detail. That is service product. So next new point, customer perception of service. What is meant by customer perception of service? For gaining sustainable competitive advantages, these perceptions are becoming much more important in today's competitive marketplace. So, the perception of the customer influenced by a variety of factors. That is, the perception of the customer will shift for fact based judgment to a more general managing while whole relationship gain for him once the gain more experience. Over time, the puts a stronger focus on the product of service or consumption. That is customer perception of the service. So, including point is perception and brand. What is meant by perception and brand? Brand identify help in making the customer remember the association of the brand with quality and speed of the purchase decision. This set height expectation from the customer as he wants to make sure the service is the same or higher and shortcoming will not be forgive or forgotten by the customer. The golden principle in these marketers in that they should offer only quality product when a brand is involved. So next one, consumer perception of risk. What is meant by consumer perception of risk? That is, consumer recognize some amount of risk when purchase decisions are taken to concern about the risk are not often expressed. Means even after a transaction are completed without any risk measurement of the consumer may crazy the perception that there were risk. Some of these risks are so functional risk of the product not performing as expected, then financial risk having paid a higher price than necessary. Next, risk of the effort and time being wastage or consumption to a possible product failure. Seller must follow up any successful transaction so that repeat purchase in store in the failure. So, next most important point is customer satisfaction. What is meant by customer satisfaction? The most important factor leading toward the competitiveness and success is the satisfaction of customer with product and service of a company. So, customer satisfaction is the main outcome of marketing practice and occupies in an important position in both theory and practice. The judgment between good versus bad and decide by satisfaction, technology and tangible aspect of the service quality are the attribute of the service firm as hard quality. Means customer satisfaction is combination of two response such as the cognitive and effective response of the service encounters, while service quality is the overall assumption of a firm's service delivery system. So including to customer satisfaction, then perception of performance, and then expectation. So next one, service perception, then service expectation, then next part, perceive service quality. So including to customer satisfaction, this equation make the concept perceive service quality and customer satisfaction very simple. It also shows that the both apparent service quality and consumer satisfaction can be managed and controlled by the service provided. So including customer satisfaction factor is a factor determine customer satisfaction. A part of the customer satisfaction being influenced by the specific product and service features, perception, product and service quality and price, personal factor such as the customer mood or emotional state, and situational factor such as the family member opinion influence satisfaction. So first one is product and service features. What is meant by product and service features? Customer satisfaction with a product or service is influenced significant by the customer evaluation of product or service feature. For a service such as the resort, hotel, important features might include the pool area, access the golf facility, restaurant, room comfortable, privacy and helpfulness of staff, room price and so forth. That is most important part. Including the next one is perception of equity or fairness. Customer satisfaction is also influenced by the perception to equity and fairness. The satisfaction with a service provided following of a service failure are largely determined by perception of fair treatment. For example, of seller at a center division, consumer strong reaction of fair treatment. Over a decade ago, the division was charged with the different customer in 44 states by the performing necessary repair series employee reward bin based on the equity repairs in the sold. That is perception of equity or fairness. So next one, other customer, family member and co-worker. Other customer, family member and co-worker. In addition to product and service features and one's own feeling, the belief. Customer satisfaction is often influenced by the other people. Example, family decision about the vacation, distance and satisfaction with the trip are dynamic phenomena influenced by the reaction. And emotion includes the family member. Latter, what family member express of satisfaction or dissatisfaction with the trip will be influenced by the stories retold among the family and selective memories of the events. In a business setting, satisfaction with a new service or technology, for example, a new customer relationship management software service, will be influenced not only by the individual personal experience with the software itself but also by what others say about in the company, how others use it and feel about the how widely in adopt in the organization. So next one is attribution for the service success or failure. What is meant by attribution? The perceived causes of event influence perception of the satisfaction, as well as when customer have been surprised by a outcome, the service is either much better or much worse than the expected. They tend to took and the reason and their assessment of the reason can be influenced their the satisfaction. So next one is customer emotion. What is meant by customer emotion? Customer emotion can also affect their perception of satisfaction with product and service. This emotion can be stable emotion, for example, mood state or life satisfaction. Think that is, if time when you are at a very happy stage in your life, such as when you are the vacation, and your good happy mood and positive frame of the mind influence the how you feel about the service you experience. Frame of the mind alternately when you are in a bad mood, your negative feeling may carry over into how you respond to the service because you overreact or respond negatively to any little problem. That is customer satisfaction and consumer emotion. So, thank you so much.